How to use Instagram offline. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to use Instagram offline. You need to understand that Instagram cannot fully use or you cannot fully use Instagram offline, as most features require an internet connection for real-time data. However, you can view content that has been cached by scrolling through your feed while online before going offline. So, like I said, if you actually go ahead and turn off your internet, and you could go ahead and load this up, that or you could just look up to a feed that was already loaded up. Otherwise, or other than that, you'll not be able to do anything unless you have or you connected to an internet service. Now, if I go ahead and send a message as well, you could see that it's not going to be sent unless and until I'm actually connected using the Wi-Fi. So if I make a call, as you could see, there is no way I can make it. And this way you have to understand that there is no views or you'll not be able to use Instagram offline. So that's how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.